Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your card to the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app, then go to your profile on the bottom right corner. And here the third option will be the cards. Tap on this red button, add a card. Then you have to add your card number, the expiration date, the security code, and the currency. And you have to pay amount for accepting your card. After you tapped pay, then the app will save your card. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.